Okay guys, I'm going to show you the trick to the moistest tamales that you can eat. And the ones I have are gluten-free, no lard, Texas Tamale Company. You might not have this where you are since it's local to me, but they're about $8 for a dozen and they are so good. They have all kinds of stuffings. But the trick to make them moist is to use a steamer. I have this Black & Decker steamer, and I'm not sure if they make this one anymore because I've had it for a while, but it makes them so moist. You steam them for about 15 minutes on the timer, and then when you take them out, I don't know if you can see, but they're really moist. And like putting them in the microwave is the worst thing you can do. And if you do, you should wrap them in like a damp paper towel. But in this steamer, I don't know, you can't see maybe you see the smoke coming off of them. They're so good. Lane says he wants 5 of them. Ooh, I want to burn my fingers. You see them smoking? Not really. But there, you can see they're falling apart on the plate. They're so moist. That's 5 for him. And I'm gonna have, well, I guess 4 of them. And I'll save 3 for Marissa when she gets home from school. Looks good. But the way this thing works is it has this drip tray here, and this catches any grease or whatever that comes off of the food when you steam it. You could put broccoli and all kinds of stuff in here and steam it. But you put water down here in this reservoir. And you could put like herbs and stuff right here on the screen if you're doing something that you want to be saturated. And that's it. This bowl is for steaming rice in there. I've never actually used it, but here's my nice and moist tamales. I hope this tip helps you guys have some non-microwaved hard tamales. You can also do it in a double pot. I forgot about that. If you have one of those double boiling pots, I'll go over here and see if I have mine still. Yes. One of these that you put it on top of your regular pot, and you can steam them that way too. Okay. I'm gonna eat these tamales now. Y'all have a good one.